This is the assembly instruction for the European-style frameless BT15 base trash cabinet. This cabinet comes in two boxes. UF contains all the panels and hardware for the cabinet body, and the other box contains the finished door and drawer front. It comes with the side frame panels, trash can housing front panel, the bottom frame panel, and the drawer box and hardware. With the Euro cabinets, we start our assembly upside down. Start with one side panel and insert the back panel into the groove. Make sure your panels are completely flush and screw them together. Now, screw the other side panel into the back panel. Flip the cabinet on its back panel and now install the bottom panel, inserting the dowels into the pre-drilled holes. Start by screwing one edge of the side panel into the bottom panel through the pre-drilled holes. Keep the other side loose for now. Now place the dowels in the top strength panel and install that piece as such, flush with the side panels. We can screw the side panels into the bottom panel and on both sides of the top strength panel. Now stand your cabinet facing up. It's time to assemble the trash housing unit. Place the trash can housing unit face down or pre-drilled holes up. Screw in the cam lock screws into the smaller pre-drilled holes and the dowels into the bigger ones, and ensure the cam lock screws are perfectly vertical. Place each side frame piece into the pegs, and then the front frame piece flush with them to the housing unit. Place the cam lock into the appropriate pre-drilled holes and tighten them with a 180-degree half turn. Ensure the pieces are completely flush. Now install the face frame piece through the pre-drilled holes. Flip the cabinet on its back and install the kickboard. You will have to pre-drill them using a drill bit. Now for the soft close tracks. Place the screw in the third hole and drill into the pre-drilled holes. Place the trash unit into the drawer glides and slide them back until they lock into the grooves. You can adjust the height of the unit with these dials located on the track. Ensure your reveals are consistent on each side and measure from the bottom of the bottom panel to the bottom of your unit face on each side of the piece. They should be roughly an identical number. Measure from the bottom of your door to the bottom of your trash unit. Match those measurements from earlier. Measure from each side of the door to the unit. This measurement should be roughly 3/4 of an inch and identical on both sides. Holding the piece still, pre-drill through the unit using countersink. Do not drill through the door. And now install the entire trash housing unit. Again, you can adjust it with these dials. Don't forget your rubber bumpers and clean your cabinet. A clean cabinet is a happy cabinet. One finished Euro Gloss base trash cabinet ready for installation.